Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In 2025, our kitchens are smarter, more efficient, and more enjoyable than ever thanks to incredible advancements in appliance technology. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just looking to make meal prep easier, having the right tools can revolutionize your cooking experience. Today, we're diving into the essential gear, bringing you our top 5 best kitchen appliances in 2025, all bestsellers and conveniently available from major online retailers. Get ready to upgrade your culinary space. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Ninja Foodi Smart XL 8-in-1 Digital Air Fry Oven. This powerhouse truly optimizes counter space, replacing multiple appliances with a single, versatile unit. It excels at air frying for crispy, healthier meals, but also roasts, bakes, toasts, dehydrates, and more. What sets it apart is its smart cook system, allowing you to achieve perfect doneness with a built-in thermometer. Its rapid preheating and digital controls make it incredibly user-friendly for everything from quick snacks to full meals. As a consistent bestseller on major online marketplaces, it's a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Find the link to this multifunctional marvel in our description. Coming in at number 4, and a perennial favorite among coffee lovers who value speed and simplicity, is the Keurig K-Mini Single-Serve K-Cup Pot Coffee Maker. Perfect for dorms, small kitchens, or individual coffee drinkers, this ultra-compact brewer delivers a fresh cup in minutes. Its sleek design takes up minimal counter space, and the sheer variety of K-Cup pods available means you can enjoy anything from a robust espresso to a flavored latte with no fuss. It's incredibly easy to use and clean, consistently topping bestseller lists for its convenience. For your daily dose of Java, this is a top pick, widely available from major online retailers. Don't miss out, click the link below the video. Taking the number 3 spot for its exceptional performance in daily blending is the Beast Mini Blender Plus. This isn't just another personal blender, it's a statement piece with surprising power. Its sleek, minimalist design looks fantastic on any countertop, while its robust 600-watt motor and precision blades effortlessly pulverize fruits, vegetables, ice, and nuts for perfectly smooth smoothies, sauces, and dips. It focuses on nutrient extraction, ensuring you get the most out of your ingredients. Plus, it's remarkably easy to clean with dishwasher-safe components. A true bestseller among personal blenders, you can find the Beast Mini Blender Plus from various online marketplaces. Get ready to blend smart by clicking the product link in the description. Claiming the number 2 position for its timeless design, incredible versatility, and legendary durability is the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart tilt head stand mixer. A true icon in kitchens worldwide, this mixer is a must-have for any serious home baker or cook. Its powerful motor handles everything from dense bread dough to delicate meringues with ease, and the tilt head design makes adding ingredients simple. What truly elevates it is the power hub, which connects to dozens of optional attachments, transforming it into a pasta maker, meat grinder, vegetable spiralizer, and more. It's an investment that lasts decades, consistently a top-rated bestseller from major online appliance retailers. Check out the product link for more details. And finally, our top pick for the top 5 best kitchen appliances in 2025, taking the number 1 spot for its unparalleled versatility, speed, and smart functionality, is the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 electric pressure cooker, 6-quart. The Instant Pot continues to dominate the kitchen appliance landscape, and the Duo Plus model offers an incredible array of functions in one compact device. It pressure cooks up to 70% faster, slow cooks, steams, sautés, makes rice, yogurt, cakes, and even sterilizes. Its intuitive interface with smart programs makes complex dishes simple, saving you time and effort. For busy households, healthy eating, or just exploring new recipes, this multi-cooker is an absolute game changer and a perennial bestseller across all major online marketplaces. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description to get yours. So there you have it, our top 5 best kitchen appliances in 2025. From powerful multi-cookers and versatile air fryers to iconic stand mixers and convenient blenders, these best-selling tools are designed to make your time in the kitchen more efficient, enjoyable, and delicious. Ready to revolutionize your cooking? You can find direct links to all these incredible kitchen appliances in the video description below. Clicking those links helps support our channel at no extra cost to you. So thank you. Which appliance are you most excited to add to your kitchen? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful home tech reviews and culinary guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.